Last week on the deer hunt, we killed ourselves a mighty fine deer. And now we're gonna kill ourselves a mighty fine bear. If you turn your camera to the attention down there, that one big fat ass bear down there, boy. He's got a big old butt right back there. Big old butt. Big old butt. Alright, now turn the camera back to me. First things first, we gotta scope into this guy. Then we're gonna shoot him. After I scope in, which will take 1 second, we'll stop filming so I can scope in, then we're gonna shoot this sucker. Okay? Okie doke. Let me scope in here. Alright, now we're gonna shoot that bear so I can get my wife brand new carpet. Now turn the camera back to me. On 3, I'm gonna shoot him. Uno, dos, 3.
Hey,
Okay.
Daniel, what you doing?
What the heck? Oh. What the hell is wrong with you, boy? What the heck? What the heck, man? Get off of me, bear! Oh! Alright, alright. Turn that thing off. We need to get this thing going. Turn it off. Come on, man, turn it off. Thanks to my rifle, this funky news feller,
6
and
o'clock.
that band-aid now the bear I put on his boo-boo. I got the bear I needed, and he got his life he needed. So,
Thanks for watching 6 o'clock. News.